Okay, so I'm doing a video here on the most common problem missed in this Mastering Chemistry assignment. I'm using my phone to take the video, so it's going to shake around a little bit. Plus, I'm sitting here in a coffee shop, and so I'll ask you to pardon me for the background noise. But what I've done is sketched out a solution for the problem. It was the last problem in the Mastering Chemistry assignment, and it comes from the textbook, page 73, number 72, which I've got sketched here. I made a couple sketches out. First of all, it's a titanium cube with an edge length of 2.75. I think the Mastering Chemistry assignment says 2.75, but the book says 2.78. So I don't know. It doesn't really, if you don't mind, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to go ahead and show you a solution as it is. So we'll check that later. So in my notes, I put here that the formula weight of titanium is 47.867 grams per mole. I know I'm going to need that if I'm going to convert grams to the number of atoms. So what I did is just pulled up a periodic table. Just pulled up a periodic table right there, and see I've got titanium, 47.867 grams per mole. I knew I was going to need that because we're converting amounts to amounts. All right, so first thing I did was say, all right, if I'm given a density of titanium, and the density I think, oh goodness, the density was 4.50 grams per cubic centimeter. If I'm given that, I know I'm going to need a volume. And then after I wrote those notes out, I said, you know what? I'm not really seeing where I'm going to go on this. So I'm first of all just going to sketch out a solution. 4.5 grams per cubic centimeter. And I know that I'm asking for atoms in the end, right? So there's no cubic centimeters in the answer. So I got to get rid of cubic centimeters, and that's the way I do it. Right? You've seen me do that before in class. I'm going to go to cubic inches there. I know that I have 2.54 centimeters per inch, and so if I cube that, I'm going to get cubic inches. And then so I don't have cubic inches in my answer, so I got to get rid of that. And then aha, this is my volume. Okay, so it's 2.7, I think it's 2.78 cubic inches for the volume. We'll get that cubed. 2.78 cubed, right? And then the grams per mole, that's my formula weight, 47.867. 47.867. And then the atoms per mole, right? And can you see how my cubic centimeters are going to cross off? My cubic inches are going to cross off. My grams are going to cross off, right? Boom, boom. And then my moles are going to cross off, and I'm going to be left with atoms, which is exactly what my question was about. So what I haven't put in here yet, though, is this number of atoms per cubic centimeter, or per mole. It's 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Okay? And so if we multiply 4.5 times 2.54 cubed times 2.78 cubed times Avogadro's number and divide by the atomic weight, we're going to get the number of atoms, which turns out to be, I think, calculated this a minute ago, it turns out to be 1.93 times 10 to the 25th. It was that number right there that I did. 1.93 times 10 to the 25th. Or rather, let me see it again. Yeah, 1.93 times 10 to the 25th. I won't take you through a significant figures conversation about that right now, but hopefully that's helpful. I'll post this after midnight, after everybody's had a chance to do it. Again, this was the most commonly missed problem in Mastering Chemistry that was due 126. Okay, hope that's helpful.